Who is behind the Saudi Arabia oil refinery drone attack? There are some things that do not match this attack. In general, during the past 30 years or so, every time Iran has chosen to use force to deal with problems with the United States, your response has been measured a lot for fear of reprisals. The Houthis have launched attacks on Saudi facilities using weapons supplied by Iran, however, those attacks have generally involved up to a handful of missiles. This attack, which has disconnected 50% of Saudi Arabia's oil production capacity, was much larger and much more appalling than anything the Saudis had ever tried. It seems that up to 20 missiles or drones were used in the attack. The most curious detail of all this is that none of these drones or missiles seem to have been stopped by the Saudi Patriot missile systems supplied by the United States. If Iran were in fact behind the attack, I would not be surprised if they expected most of those missiles to be intercepted by the Patriots of Saudi Arabia according to the system design specifications. If the Saudis had been able to dilute the attack with their air defenses, much less damage would have been done. If only a handful of missiles had passed, relatively little Saudi production would have been affected. The fact that the Saudi Patriots were unable to stop any of these drones or missiles has ominous implications for NATO and the United States defense plans worldwide. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update.